arrived yesterday on Koh Yo Noi Island. It's a part of two islands. The other one is Koh Yo Yai Island. And this is a smaller island. And today we're going to do another 4-island tour. But this time it involves the Hong Island, which is probably the most famous one of the 4 islands. The weather is once again hit and go. You don't know what you're gonna get. It looked okay. It's a bit overcasted, but nothing serious. Right, so we're going to Hong Island first because you can't go there when it's low tide. It's not good for low tide. After Hong Island, we go to the other islands, and then he's gonna take us to Nok Island. You can only come in here in high tides. So when you book your trip, make sure there's high tide on appropriate times. When it's low tide, the long-tail boats can't come in here. Once again, truly amazing hidden lagoon here at Hong Island. That's one part. The other side is like a nice bay with stunning beaches, or a stunning beach. But this one is a lagoon, hidden lagoon within the island. From the outside you can't see it, and some mangrove there as well.
Like there's lots of kids. We saw lots of kids. You're gonna play with
here? Yes. It's nice, not deep.
Wait for me!
I assume in low tide it will be dry or almost dry. You won't be able to get in with not even with a long-tail boat. Fantastic, isn't it nice? Alright, what do you want to say?
I'm gonna jump!
Okay, come.
Our next stop, and as you can see, it's pouring down. Stop just for a little while so we can go and experience this beautiful island.
Okay, so we're at Koh La La Ding. It's a place called. You can see all the tourists under the cliffs. They're hiding from the rain. It's pouring down with hard rain. It's just us outside. We're gonna hit the warm ocean because the ocean is quite warm, the rain is cold. I'm gonna try and give you a glimpse of what the speedboat looks like inside, but it started to rain again. So I'm gonna run for cover because I don't want the camera to get wet, and then hopefully I can show you the back of these speedboats. It's jam-packed with tourists. And we're gonna snorkel.
Take the camera with right.
The other one, yeah.
Oh, the
But look at this one, it's jam-packed.
And only Daddy and Kayla are snorkeling.
Beautiful once the sun comes out. Totally different scene from when it was raining. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, as again, sorry, apologies. Tropical island coconut tree experience. Apparently on this island you can walk around. You don't have to pay park fees. I don't know why. I'm not even sure what island it is. And you can see once again all these high cliffs. And that's how the hull of Krabi looks like. And then you end up here on a pebble rock beach. So who would have believed me if I say it rained? It was pouring down about 5 minutes ago. It was pouring down. You couldn't see anything around you. Just rain, rain, rain and dark clouds.
so sad. I wish.
Is that your boat?
Yes.
Call your fancy now.
What name's fancy?
With all the tourists, this little bay has become jam-packed. Now that the rain has stopped, the sun is out again, the tourists are back again. Look at all the snorkels there, snorkelers there at the back. That's where Kayla and I went just now. And it's speedboat after speedboat and longtail boat after longtail boat. But it is a beautiful little bay. We're gonna go to our next island. I'm not sure where that will be. You can see the strong current here. As it's getting low tide, all the water wants to rush to the other side, and we are between two islands, and that's why there's such a strong current. I don't know what this island is called, but I have it on camera. We're off to our last island. It's something like Nok. It's just a little rock in the ocean with a nice beach on it. So these islands, I wouldn't recommend them for swimming beaches. They're beautiful, but I guess the jellyfish or something in the water that stings you. It burns. It's like an irritating feeling on your skin. And it's not the nicest sand, a bit rocky, and then it's shallow. And you have to go quite deep before you get deep enough to enjoy the swimming. And the guys in the yacht again. Small dinghy, nice yacht. But guess what? Tonight when all the tourists went home, I don't know. All the tourists went home. They will still be enjoying the sunset in a nice margarita yacht, and it's a yacht charter, so they're chartering. That's a nice one. Oh. And they're gonna visit this beautiful island now. That thing touches you, you will cry. But it doesn't stink, so I'm gonna put it back.
Attacked by something in the sea. It's such stingy feeling on your skin all over, and it's burning. And I've been out now for about 2 minutes and it's still stinging. Everywhere you feel the sting feeling. I don't know what it is.
That's a stinging, biting experience.
What is it?
I don't know. Like,
It's gonna go home now, and it's from here to there. We're gonna beach there, and that's where we stay, right there at the end of that little island peninsula type of thingy there.